the special right now. Buy 1 month. Go unlimited. Join the Wash Club. Free soda. It's the best value. $35 a month. Deluxe. And then deluxe condition, most economic, $22.50 a month.
You can use that lane. If that lane's ever backed up, this lane also
okay,
opens for
fantastic, yes.
I just need a phone number if you're ever to make any changes.
All right, we're members now.
Yes, we are members at the Shiny Shell.
Yeah.
Cool is this? It's like psychedelic for the 60s.
Window.
Look at my window. I love that it changes colors. This is really wild. It's getting its first bath. She had her first bath. Looking good, Kay. Please enjoy our free vacuums with any wash purchase. Be considerate of others. No loud music. 10-minute max when busy. Look at this as a mat holder. That's pretty cool. And it has an air. Look at this. It has towels and glass plates. love our 2025 Subaru Forester Limited. Yeah.